check out, what's this? Comida a la vista. Bro, they got a Denny's. I didn't think they would have a Denny's over here.
What's up, dude? What up, bro?
How you doing?
Hey, where you coming from?
It's like 9:30 a.m. Okay, I'm just stepping outside of the Airbnb. My room's up there. I'm on like the 5th floor. Yeah, I'm staying in the flats. I haven't seen like a lot of flashy cars though. All the cars are pretty like yo, be easy on the check-in. And right now, I found some like a landmark. Oh, you can't see the statue. There's like a statue over there. I'm just exploring the area. Found a Walmart. Found me some pupusas so far. All right, so I just grabbed me a little snack. Got some pupusas. Yeah, these are bean and cheese. Frijoles con queso. It's a snack out here in the city. Oh, that's the local bus around here. That's pretty cool. Gotta be ready to go. Pretty sure it will hit you around here. Take a cut. You would not go hungry around this bitch though. There's plenty of places to eat. Roadside food. Like a gaming place. It's a cafe. Luxury Vision. Okay, Walmart looks similar. I'm not saying. They got electronics. Oh, they use dollar here, so everything is in dollars. I think that's the official currency. Alright, I'm at a different place. Found me some more pupusas. These are bigger. And I got me a water. It's cool, isn't it? Awesome. I also want some coffee. about exploring. I don't have nowhere exactly that go or anything exactly that I'm trying to see. They got sites and stuff you can see, but like most of that shit is just walking anyway. I'm gonna save my beach day for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm like enjoy the city one more day. Beach tomorrow, and then I leave late Thursday / early Friday. Comida a la vista. I should better make me a walking tour video. That's all it is, walking. I assume people just want to see like what the people look like, what the cars is, what kind of businesses they got. So they might. This one's not the main road, is it? It's easy on the check-in. Day 2 in El Salvador, San Salvador. So this one.
What's up, dude? What up, bro?
How you doing?
Hey, where you coming from?
United States.
You said what?
Bro, they got a Denny's. I didn't think they would have a Denny's over here. 24 horas. That means hours, guys, if you didn't know. A lot of cars. Oh, I don't think I'm too far from Bamboo City. That's a day. It's a big ass Denny's up there. Good to know, so I was right. I am right here about Bamboo City. Yeah, I'm gonna find me a smoothie or something. It's hot, bro. Mucha carne. Yes, that's what you need. Buses are cool though. I gotta check out another Central America country after this one, because for the most part I wasn't like expecting the people to be like just assholes or nothing, but like everybody's been like fairly cool, or just not paying you no attention at all because they got their head down in their phone. But if somebody like seen me or like eye contact with me, it ain't been like weird. Like I said, the folks just been like chilling. They'll smile at you, they'll wave, they'll say hola or como estas. They'll speak first too. So like I said, it's made it very easy to like be here, because they ain't been feeling like, oh, I'm ready to go. I'm early, just the mall hasn't opened yet. It's like 9:30 a.m. This one has 3 floors too. This one's smaller than the one I went to yesterday. They got a few like store staples that I know from the States, but especially like Old Navy, Gap. haven't seen a Nike store or a Foot Locker, Foot Action. I haven't seen many shoe stores unless it was just like a whole brand store. Yeah, but like I said, the mall's not open yet, but I was just giving a little walk around.